In the stillness of the far north, the sky ignites in a wave of motion, vivid, free, and endlessly smooth. When the days are short and the nights are long, you need gear built to perform. Inspired by the Northern Lights comes a new kind of precision, a new kind of flow. Crafted by switch enthusiasts at Cherry, the MX Northern Light is our smoothest linear switch ever. Silent, precise, unmatched. Experience the flow of the Aurora. Cherry MX Northern Light.